We asked AI. In today's political and financial distress in South Africa and with the high unemployment rate and people not having a lot of money, what is the best way to make money in South Africa? And this is the response. In times of economic distress and high unemployment, finding ways to make money can be challenging. However, there are still some potential avenues you can explore in South Africa. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Start a small business. Identify a market gap or demand for a particular product or service and consider starting a small business to fulfill that need. It could be anything from offering specialized skills or crafts to creating a unique product. 2. Freelancing or consulting. If you possess valuable skills, consider offering your services as a freelancer or consultant. Many businesses are willing to hire freelancers on a project basis, allowing you to earn income without a long-term commitment. 3. Online ventures. Explore online platforms to generate income. You could start an e-commerce store, offer online tutoring or coaching, become an affiliate marketer, or create content on platforms like YouTube or blog. 4. Gig economy. Participate in the gig economy by joining platforms like Uber, Bolt or TaskRabbit, where you can provide transportation services or complete small tasks for a fee. 5. Reselling or recycling. Look for opportunities to buy used items at a low cost and resell them at a profit. Additionally, recycling or repurposing materials can be a way to generate income while contributing to environmental sustainability. 6. Agriculture and farming. If you have access to land or agricultural skills, consider starting a small-scale farming operation. It could involve growing vegetables, raising livestock, or even cultivating niche crops. 7. Skills development and training. Identify skills that are in demand and offer training or workshops to individuals or businesses. This could include anything from computer literacy to specialized vocational skills. Remember that starting any venture requires careful planning, research, and dedication. It's important to assess the market, understand legal and regulatory requirements, and develop a solid business plan. Additionally, consider networking and seeking advice from professionals or organizations that support entrepreneurship in South Africa. There are 7 ways. I will ask the AI to delve into detail on each point and ask what will be the best business in each category, as well as a step-by-step guide on how to start that business. So to follow along, hit that subscribe button not to miss a video. This is gonna be a 7-part video, and if you have questions, leave them in the comments section and hit like button to get more people to watch and follow along. A lot of people in South Africa need an income source or additional income just survive. So I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye.